Welcome to the session on energy management and conservation. We will begin by looking at energy conservation. Then we dive into energy efficiency. Next, we will discuss energy management. We will also address the challenges we face in these areas and discuss potential solutions. Finally, we will look at the future outlook of energy management and conservation. Let's get started. Energy is a crucial resource, and how we manage it impacts our economy, environment, and quality of life. Energy management strategy consists of 4 interconnected pillars, which are energy conservation, energy efficiency, demand-side management, and renewable resources. These objectives work together to reduce our energy consumption, reduce our energy cost, and minimize our environmental footprint. Our energy conservation efforts will focus on reducing energy waste and promoting behavioral change through education and awareness campaigns. By turning off lights, computers, and other appliances when not in use can make a significant impact on energy consumption. Our energy efficiency initiatives will focus on upgrading to energy efficient equipment and technologies such as LED lighting and high efficiency HVAC systems. These upgrades will lower our energy use without compromising our operational needs. Our demand-side management strategy will focus on managing our energy consumption in response to changes in energy supply or price. By shifting our energy usage to off-peak hours and participating in demand response programs, we can reduce our energy cost and improve grid reliability. Our renewable resources strategy will focus on increasing our use of renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power. By investing in on-site renewable energy generation and purchasing renewable energy credits, we can reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and decrease greenhouse gas emissions. Together, these 4 pillars will help us to create a greener future for the organization and the environment. We can also introduce energy management tools like energy audits and energy management system in an organization to reduce energy cost, enhance sustainability, and improve operational efficiency. Energy audit is like a detailed investigation that looks at how a building uses energy. Its goal is to find ways to save energy and prevent waste. For example, checking the heating and cooling systems to see if they can run more efficiently. Energy Management Systems (ENMS) is a systematic approach to manage and improve energy use in organizations. For example, installing meters or sensors to track energy use in each building and collecting data on how much energy is being used, when and where. By doing these 2 things, you can reduce energy waste, save money, and help the environment. Now let's understand what is energy conservation. Energy conservation is act of reducing energy usage and wastage. And this can be achieved by changing daily habits such as turning off lights and appliances when not in use, using public transport or carpooling. Therefore, energy conservation is a way to decrease energy consumption, which is essential for reducing energy waste, saving resources, and mitigating climate change. These are the goals of energy conservation. First, reduce energy consumption. That is, use less energy, don't waste energy, and use it wisely. Next, lower energy cost, meaning that it reduces energy bills for individuals and businesses. Next, minimize environmental impact, that is, it reduces pollution and emissions to protect the environment. Next, preserve natural resources, meaning that save resources for the future. By achieving these 4 goals, can have a big positive impact on environment, economy, and in our daily lives. Now let's see some common methods of energy conservation. Switch off lights and appliances when not in use. Thermostat tweaks, it should be higher in winter and lower in summer. Use natural light when possible. Reduce hot water use. Many electronic devices and appliances still consume energy even when turned off or in standby mode. This is called phantom load or vampire power. Unplugging these devices when not in use can help you save energy and reduce electricity bill. And making these simple changes can also bring several benefits, such as lower utility bills, reduce the load on power grid, and reduced carbon footprint. Here are some key government initiatives that are driving energy conservation movement in India. Energy Conservation Act 2001 focuses on industries like steel, cement, textiles, and pulp and paper. It conducts energy audits and sets standards to reduce energy consumption per unit of production. Perform, Achieve, and Trade scheme targets energy intensive industries across various sectors. It sets targets for energy efficiency improvements and allows trading of energy saving certificates. Now let's understand what is energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a step further. It is about using less energy for the same output. Energy efficiency is a key concept in energy management. Energy efficiency and energy conservation are related concepts which aim to reduce energy consumption and waste, but they are distinct from each other. Energy efficiency is about getting more output from the same energy input, through technological improvements in devices and systems. For example, using LED bulbs instead of old style bulbs, and buying a refrigerator with good energy rating, and installing better insulation in your home. So energy efficiency means you are using the devices that needs less energy to do the same task. Here are some government initiatives on energy efficiency. The Bureau of Energy Efficiency is an agency of Government of India which is under the Ministry of Power that is responsible for promoting energy efficiency in various sectors of economy. Its primary goal is to reduce the country's energy intensity and promote sustainable development. Bureau of Energy Efficiency focus on sectors like industries, commercial buildings, consumer goods. Its main objective is to develop standards, labeling programs, and conduct audits to promote energy efficiency. The Standards and Labeling Program is an initiative by BEE that aims to promote energy efficiency in appliances and consumer goods sold in India. This program sets energy performance standards for various products and mandates labeling to indicate their energy efficiency levels. Therefore, both energy efficiency and energy conservation are important for reducing energy cost, improving energy security, and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Now let's move on and understand what is energy management. Energy management is a broader concept that encompasses both energy conservation and energy efficiency. Energy management is the systematic and strategic process of monitoring, controlling, and optimizing energy consumption in an organization or system. Here are some key components of energy management. By following these key components, organizations can develop a comprehensive energy management strategy that helps to reduce energy consumption, lower cost, and minimize environmental impact. The first step in effective energy management is energy auditing and monitoring. That is, identify energy waste and track energy use to understand where to improve. The second step is setting energy performance goals. That is, set targets to reduce energy consumption and create a plan to achieve them. The third step is implementing energy saving measures. That is, take actions to reduce energy use by installing efficient technologies and changing behaviors. And final step is continuous improvement and assessment. That is, regularly review and adjust energy management strategies to ensure ongoing progress and improvement. Here are some common methods for energy management. With these methods, individuals and organizations can take control of their energy consumption, reduce their energy cost, and make more sustainable future. Track energy usage with smart meters and get an energy audit for your home and business. Use timers for heating and cooling systems. The government has launched several initiatives and acts to promote energy management and reduce energy consumption across various sectors. Two notable examples are given here. National Mission for Enhanced Energy Efficiency, NMEEE. It targets large energy consumers in industries like cement, steel, and aluminum. Its aim is to promote energy efficiency and management. Next, Energy Conservation Building Code, ECBC. It targets new commercial buildings and major renovations. It sets standards for energy efficient building design and systems. Here are the tools and technologies for energy management. Energy audit examines energy consumption to identify waste and opportunities for improvement. Energy Management System ENMS monitor, control, and optimize energy consumption. Internet of Things IoT enables real-time energy monitoring through connected devices. Artificial intelligence and machine learning analyze patterns to optimize energy consumption and automate savings. Now let's focus on first two tools of energy management. Energy audit understand your energy consumption patterns and identify opportunities to save energy and money. There are several types of energy audits: walk-through energy audit, target energy audit, and detailed energy audit. Walk-through energy audit is quick and simple. The auditor checks for energy waste and asks about your energy use. Target energy audit is more comprehensive. The auditor checks for energy waste and conducts tests to measure energy use and provides some recommendations. Detailed energy audit is most comprehensive. The auditor checks for energy waste, conduct energy use test, analyze data, and provides detailed suggestions to improve your home's energy efficiency. So before the energy audit, gather energy bills and prepare questions. During the energy audit, the auditor asks questions and conduct tests. After the energy audit, use the report to save energy and money. Therefore, energy audit will help you to reduce energy bills, make home comfortable, find ways to save energy, fix air leaks and insulations, detect safety hazards, improve air quality, increase home value, and help the environment. The energy management system is a set of rules to manage energy use. With the help of ENMS, you can track, analyze, and plan energy usage. It uses a method called Plan, Do, Check, Act to improve energy management continuously. Here are the benefits of implementing an energy management system. It reduces your energy expenses and save money, and make informed decisions about your energy future, ensure a reliable and stable energy supply, and regularly identify and implement energy saving opportunities. Here are several situations that indicate the need for an energy management system. If you are regularly being surprised by high energy bills, and if you suspect high energy use after work hours, and are you struggling to provide necessary information for sustainability programs, and unclear who's in charge of energy use, and when was the last time your company reviewed its energy management approach, and feeling like there's not enough resources to check energy use. And these 6 points form a diagnostic tool. If your company identifies with one or more of these situations, it may be the time to reconsider your energy management strategies. According to the United Nations, an energy management system is a framework for energy consumers, including industrial, commercial, and public sector organizations to manage their energy use. According to ISO 5001, it defines the energy management system as a system whose purpose is to enable an organization to follow a systematic approach in achieving continual improvement of energy performance, including energy efficiency, energy use, and consumption. The ISO 5001 standard outlines a continuous improvement cycle for energy management system. This cycle has 4 stages: plan, do, check, act. Plan. In this stage, the organization identify energy performance opportunities, set objectives, and establish energy targets. Do. In this stage, the organization implement the energy management plan, including energy efficient technologies and practices. Next, check. In this stage, the organization monitor and measure energy performance and review progress towards energy targets. Finally, act. In this stage, the organization take corrective actions to address any deviations from the plan and continually improve the ENMS. Therefore, the Pdca cycle is a powerful framework for making steady progress in energy management. It encourages a systematic approach to identify opportunities, implement solutions, monitoring outcomes, and continuously refining your strategy. Now let's understand the common challenges and solutions in energy management. First, let's understand the challenges. Lack of data. It is hard to make decisions without good information, meaning that without accurate and reliable data, it is difficult to identify areas for improvement and track progress. Next, limited resources. Not having enough money or people to manage energy well, meaning that limited resources can hinder the implementation of energy management initiatives. Next, complex organizational structures. Big companies can struggle to coordinate energy efforts, meaning that large organizations with multiple departments and locations can find it challenging to coordinate energy management efforts. Next, lack of awareness. People don't know how important the energy management is. See, many individuals and organizations may not fully understand the importance of energy management and its impact on the environment. Next, resistance to change. Some folks prefer to keep doing things the old way. Changing habits can be hard, so some people might resist new energy management ideas. And here are some solutions which are practical way to address these challenges. First, energy storage solutions, that is, store energy for later, which will mitigate peak demand and provides backup power during outages. Next, smart grid technology, that is, monitor and control energy use with advanced tech. This will provide real-time energy usage data for efficient management. Next, educating consumers. Teach people why energy management matters. This will increase the awareness and encourage behavioral change. Next, demand response programs. Use less energy during peak times, which will reduce peak demand, alleviates grid strain, and lowers energy cost. Therefore, these challenges and solutions are all interconnected, and addressing one challenge can often have a positive impact on others. Now let's discuss the future outlook for energy management. And these ideas will change how we handle energy and help us to use energy better and waste less. It will make us be kinder to the environment, and the energy management will be smarter, cleaner. Also, it will adapt our needs. First, combining renewables with efficiency. We use renewable energy sources like solar and wind power to generate electricity. At the same time, we use energy saving measures to reduce the amount of energy we need. By combining these two approaches, we can create a more efficient and sustainable energy system. Next, smart grids and demand response systems. Smart grids are intelligent power networks which monitor energy usage in real time. It uses advanced technologies like IoT, AI, and sensors to monitor and manage energy distribution. It communicates with users to reduce energy usage during peak periods. Demand response is a key feature of smart grids that encourages customers to adjust energy usage in response to grid conditions. It helps to balance energy supply and demand in real time. It reduces peak demand, prevents outages, and optimizes energy efficiency. Next, AI and IoT in energy management. Using smart devices and artificial intelligence, optimize the energy use. Next, green buildings and net zero energy. Green buildings are also known as net zero energy buildings, which are designed to produce as much energy as they consume. This is achieved by combining energy efficient design, renewable energy systems, and advanced technologies like AI and IoT. Next, electric vehicles and efficient transport. Drive electric, carpool, and use public transport to reduce environmental impact. And next, blockchain in energy trading. It is a secure way for people to buy and sell energy directly without middlemen. Imagine you have a solar panels on your roof and you produce extra energy that you don't need. You can sell this energy to your neighbor who needs it. But instead of going through a big utility company, you can use a special kind of online system called blockchain. This blockchain is like a digital ledger that keep track of how much energy you produce and how much energy your neighbor needs. It is like a digital marketplace where you can buy and sell energy directly with each other. So these key ideas of decentralization, intelligence and environmental friendliness will make us to move towards a future where energy is managed efficiently. That's all for this session. Thank you so much.